Good morning, children. We are seeing the third lesson work on energy. In last class, we saw the wedge. Wedge is a tool, a sharp edge which can use to split a material. Okay. Up to this, we saw in the last class. Today, we see the screw. The screw is used to raise a weights and to hold the object together. Example: pencil sharpener. Look at here. We insert the pencil inside and we sharp. So using the sharpener we can use the to sharp a pencil. So here the screw is holding the blade tightly so that we can sharp it. Here some bottle cap. This is holding tightly the bottle and the cap together so the water will not come out. This is a jockey. You may not know this, but it's used in a car also to lift the vehicle to exchange the wheels. So next, this is a windmill. Here also the windmill it's attached with a screw so that it will be rotate to absorb the electricity from the air. So all these four example, the screw is the main thing. Here in the sharpener there is a screw and this is a screw type mold in your water bottle, right? That is also screw and this is also based on the screw. So screw is a this a screw use. Next, wheel and axle. Look at here. You all have cycle, right? So the wheel is consist of a attached with a small rod so that these two parts rotated together. So in the wheel, the door lock and the grinder. Look at this. This is opening the railway gate. This machine is used in a railway gate to open it. So the wheel is rotating. So one small rod is connected in between. Okay. Next here, the small rod is connected between the lock and the door. So they are rotating the lock. Here the two stone. It's a stone. It's run in your grinder to grind the flour. So only the one rod is attached here to rotate the wheel. Here also this is a railway gate. They open the gate and close it. Use the railway gate is with a long rod. Using this simple machine. See, it's a wheel type. So rotating the wheel with a one rod. So the rod will hold the wheel and the chain together to rotate it. The Greek philosopher, he told that the simple machines are used to make a heavy works. See, example, the grinding. The grinding the flour in the olden days, they use a stone. You all know that, right? Ural. They called a ural. In that ural, they'll make a. They have to put the more energy to grind the flour. But nowadays they are using a flour machine, that is a grinder. So in the grinding, it will make a easy our work. So the heavy work is doing by smaller force. So there is a one motor using the smaller force it grinding the flour. So the flour is we are getting. So these are the simple machine. It's using an exchange of smaller force to move a heavy objects. So we are doing a heavy work by using a smaller forces. That's we exampling the Greek philosophers. The next topic, lever. Here we all know the seesaw. In the seesaw, the one long board is connected. Middle there is a one lever is connected. So using the lever, in the seesaw the lever is connected, right? The lever is holding the board and this board. So it will connected by the lever. The lever only it help to move up and down. Next, this is a nut cracker. So using the tool, they are crashing the nut and getting the inside. Next, this is a peeler. Whatever nail, that is ani, we nailed on the wall. So if you don't want the nail, we have to remove the nail. So using this peeler, we'll just pluck out the nail, that is Ani. Okay. So these are the examples. What are the tools it's used here? Okay. In next class, we saw the fourth topic, that is types of lever. Okay. Up to this, we are winding up the class. Thank you.